Chemistry is a branch of science which placing a very important role in our day-to-day life. Here, various innumerable number of items were discovered because of chemistry only. It is absolutely correct. For example sake, we are using polyesters, polythene bags, plastics, various medicines, like such kind of the things are always because of chemistry only. These are all the things are developed because of identification of different kinds of elements. For example, if we consider the clothes are coming from plants. How can we say from the plants? The cloth is mainly made from cotton or otherwise wool. Cotton is coming from cotton plant which contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, as we already know. Means here the elements that present are carbon, hydrogen and as well as oxygen. So here various elements are placing very much role in our day-to-day life. In this module that we are going to discuss about the names of the elements till now that we discovered. Till now around 118 elements were discovered. 118 elements were discovered. In this module we are going to discuss about the names of those elements with their symbols. The first element is hydrogen. The first element is hydrogen. Here a table is given to those elements. Who gives the name of those elements? The name of those elements were given by IUPAC. IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. It is a branch of chemistry which gives the name of those different kinds of the elements. Yeah, come to here. Around 118 elements are arranged in the form of table. This table is called periodic table of the elements. Periodic table of the elements. In this periodic table of the elements, first of all we should know what are the names of those elements, what are the symbols of those elements. First element in the periodic table is hydrogen, where its symbol is H. Why? Because hydrogen starts with the letter H, so its symbol is hydrogen. Come here, the second element is helium, HELIUM. The first element is H, but already it is assigned for hydrogen, so for the second letter can be considered in the symbol. So the first letter must and should be in uppercase, second letter must and should be in lowercase. So its symbol is considered as helium. Comes to the third element. The third element is lithium, LITHIUM, lithium. Fourth element is beryllium. Fourth element is beryllium. Fifth element boron. Fifth element boron. Sixth element carbon. Sixth element carbon. Seventh element nitrogen. Seventh element nitrogen. Eighth element oxygen. Eighth element oxygen. Ninth element fluorine. Fluorine. 10th element neon. 10th element neon. 11th element sodium. Sodium, its symbol is Na because in Latin sodium is called natrium. Natrium. Sodium Na, natrium, that we used to call. Next, 12th element magnesium. MAGNESIUM, magnesium, so Mg. Next, aluminum. 13th element is aluminium. Silicon. 14th element is silicon. 15th element phosphorus. 16th element sulfur. 16th element sulfur. 17th element chlorine. 17th element chlorine. 18th element argon. 18th element argon. 19th element potassium. Its Latin name is kalium. Potassium, Latin name is kalium, so the symbol is K. 20th element is calcium. 20th element is calcium. 21st element is scandium. Scandium. 22nd element is titanium. 22nd element is titanium. 23rd element vanadium. 23rd element vanadium. Chromium. Chromium. Manganese. Manganese. 26th element iron. Ferrum, Fe. Iron, ferrum, Fe. 27th element cobalt, Co. 27th element cobalt, Co. Nickel, Ni. Nickel, Ni. 29th element copper. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Copper, cuprum, Cu. Then 30th element zinc, Zn. Zinc, Zn. 31st element gallium, Ga. Gallium, Ga. 32nd element germanium, Ge. Germanium, Ge. 33rd element arsenic, As. Arsenic, As. 34th element selenium. Selenium. Bromine. Bromine. Krypton. Krypton. Welcome to 37th element rubidium. 37th element rubidium. 38th element strontium. Strontium. 39th element yttrium. 39th element yttrium. 39th element yttrium. 40th element zirconium. 40th element zirconium. 41 niobium. 41 niobium. 42 molybdenum. 42 molybdenum. 43 technetium. 43 technetium. 44 ruthenium. 44 ruthenium. Element 45 rhodium. Element 45 rhodium. Element 46 palladium. Element 46 palladium. Element 47 silver argentum. Silver argentum, Ag. It's a Latin name. Silver argentum, Ag. 49th element cadmium, Cd. Cadmium, Cd. 49th element indium iron. Indium iron. 50th element tin. Stannum, Sn. Tin. Stannum, Sn. It is a Latin name. 51st element antimony. Stibium, Sb. Antimony, stibium, Sb. Latin name. 52nd element tellurium. 52nd element tellurium. 53rd element iodine. 53rd element iodine. 54th xenon. 54th xenon. When compared to 55th element cesium. 55th element cesium. 56 barium. 56 barium. 57 when come to down. 57 lanthanum. 57 lanthanum. Cerium. Cerium. 58th element cerium. 59th element praseodymium. 59th element praseodymium. 59th element praseodymium. 60th element neodymium. 60th element neodymium. 61st one element promethium. 61st element promethium. 62nd element samarium. 62nd element samarium, Sm. Samarium, Sm. 63rd element europium, Eu. Europium, Eu. 64th element gadolinium, Gd. Gadolinium, Gd. 65th element terbium, Tb. Terbium, Tb. 66th element dysprosium, Dy. Dysprosium, Dy. 67th element holonium. Holomium. 67 element holomium, Ho. 68th element erbium, Er. Erbium, Er. 69th element thulium. Thulium, Tm. 69th element thulium, Tm. 70th element yttrium, Yb. Yttrium, Yb. 71st element lutetium, Lu. lutetium, Lu. When compared to the element number 72, hafnium, 72, hafnium, Hf. Next, tantalum, Ta, element 74, tungsten, wolfram, W, tungsten, wolfram, W. Element 75, rhenium, element 75, rhenium 75. Element 76, osmium, Os, 77, iridium, Ir, 78, platinum, 79, arum, gold, 78th element, mercury, hydrogen, Hg, mercury, hydrogen, Hg. 81st element, thallium, 81st element, thallium, Ti, 82nd element, lead, plumbum, Pb, Latin name it is. 83rd element, bismuth, Bi, polonium, Po, astatine, At, radon, Rn. When comes to 87th element, francium, Fr, radium, Ra, 88th element, radium, Ra. 89th element, actinium, 90th element, actinium. 90th element, thorium, 91st element, promethium, When compared to 92nd element, uranium, Next, neptunium, Np, plutonium, Pu, americium, Am, curium, Cu, berkelium, Bk, californium, Cf, einsteinium, Es, fermium, Fm, einsteinium, Es, fermium, Fm, mendelevium, Md, niobium, nobelium, No, lawrencium, Lr, rutherfordium, Rf, rubidium, Db, seaborgium, Sg, borium, Bh, hassium, Hs, methymium, Mt, dustmium, Ds, rontgenium, Rg, copernicium, Cn, nihomium, Nh, flerovium, Fl, moscovium, Nc, livermorium, Lv, Tennessine, Ts, Vagasanison, Og. These are all different kinds of the names of the elements that discovered till now. In this, some of them are having their direct names, some of them are symbolized by the scientist names, some of them are symbolized by the place names. In the next video, we are going to discuss about how the symbol was discovered, who discovered the symbols, what are the uses of the symbols. In the next video, we may discuss in the basic concepts of the chemistry.